So our whole CRM channel is socially run, and the way it functions is the CRM has two parts: how users are engaging with and how consumers are interacting with your CRM channels. So our CRM channel includes Salesforce, which is Salesforce automation. It includes large leading marketing automation system, and finally it has a service channel. On top of this is our website hcltech.com. The way we function is very unique. 60% of CRM implementations fail because users don't adopt to it. They are often legacy and they are not meant for today's Gen Y users. The way we have implemented Salesforce is very unique. We call it Excalibur, which is a very famous sword in British myth. And Excalibur allows our sales guys to win in the field. So the CRM experience is very gamified. We use Chatter, where sales managers and marketing managers can interact with each other. We strongly believe in the concept of account and contact 360. So if a sales manager is going to visit a customer for a customer call or a prospect for a call, he or she can see everything that's to know about the company. What is the latest share price? What are the executive movements? Has there been a latest change? And this allows them to prepare better for customer meetings. What is also unique about our CRM is a feature called Contact 360. Contact 360 gives you a 360-degree view of the customer or the prospect. So if you are out there to meet Mr. Malcolm Smith, before going for the call, you can actually log into the CRM, which is mobile enabled. So there is an app on your phone, you will just log in. It tells you everything about the customer. Which school did he go to? How many deals are you fighting where he's an influencer or a gatekeeper? What is the customer satisfaction score he gave you? What are the escalations which are going on currently which you should talk about? Who are the last senior HCL execs who have met him? It gives you a complete 360-degree view of the customer. And finally, the service part, we actually listen very actively to our customers and prospects who talk about HCL, and we proactively reach out to them as soon as there is an adverse comment, and we pick it up from Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn and percolate it down to a delivery manager, and a ticket is raised on behalf of the customer, and the customer requirements are serviced.